Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to add checkboxes in Google Spreadsheet. We need to click on the first cell and we need to drag our mouse. Then we need to click on Insert, click Checkbox. Checkboxes have been added. Now we need to click in this column on the first cell and we need to type in a formula count if. It will ask for the range. We need to click on the first cell and we need to drag the mouse and we will pass the condition true and we will close the formula. Then we need to double click here and formula has been applied on the complete column. If we will mark the attendance for a particular student, see, we are getting the total count in the last column. I hope this trick will be useful for you, and if you find it useful, please like my video